Goan egg chops are simple, comforting, and loved by everyone. Today I'm making them with a twist which makes them extra delicious. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. I'll begin by boiling the eggs. In a saucepan I'm placing 3 eggs. I'm adding water until the level of the water reaches just above the eggs. Next goes in half teaspoon of salt. I'll mix it well. I will let them boil on medium flame for 15 minutes. Once the eggs are boiled, transfer the eggs into cool water and then peel the eggs. Now I am cutting the eggs into 4 pieces each. Now I am sprinkling little black pepper powder on the eggs. I'll keep the eggs aside for now. Next I washed 4 medium-sized potatoes with plain water. Now I am placing the potatoes into a pressure cooker. I am adding water until the level of the water reaches just above the potatoes. Next goes in half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. I am covering the pressure cooker with the lid and will cook until 4 whistles come. Here's the special part. For this I have sliced 1.5 medium-sized onion and I chopped 1 green chili finely. Then I placed a pan on medium flame. I'll heat some oil in it. Now I'm adding the sliced onion. I will saute until the onion turns translucent. Now goes in some salt. Mix well. Add the chopped green chili. Mix. Next goes in half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. Half teaspoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add little tomato sauce and mix well. Add little Goan vinegar and stir. Next I am adding some coriander leaves washed and chopped. Half teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and then turn off the flame. Transfer this into a bowl. The potatoes were cooked well. I peeled the potatoes and now I am mashing the potatoes. Next add salt as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix well. Next goes in some coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix it well. Soft, well-seasoned potatoes make all the difference here. Grease your palms with oil. Take portions of the potato mixture in your palm, shape into round balls, flatten it, place the onion filling like this. This step adds so much flavor to the egg chops. Place the egg, cover it like this. Every bite gets a bit of that spiced onion. Shape it into oval shape. Ensure that it is smooth without any cracks. Then place on a plate greased with oil. Add some flour in a shallow plate. Coat the egg chops with the flour. In a bowl, add 1 egg, add a pinch of salt and beat well. In another bowl, add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of semolina, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Dip the egg chops in the beaten egg. Then coat with the semolina and breadcrumb mixture. Heat oil in a kadai. and deep fry the chops on medium flame. Remember, do not overcrowd the pan. Fry the chops in batches. Wow, look at the egg chops. Perfect egg chops are ready. After frying, place the chops on a serviette. Egg chops are best enjoyed when warm. You can serve these egg chops with tomato sauce. These Goan egg chops are crisp on the outside, soft inside, and that spiced onion layer adds so much flavor. Simple, homely, and perfect as an evening snack. If you enjoy simple Goan snacks made with small twists, like, share, and subscribe to Noila Creations. More homely recipes coming soon. Wow, just look at the egg chops. Perfectly shaped, perfectly golden, and without any cracks. Soft potato, perfectly cooked egg, and that spiced onion layer in between. Simple but so good. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.